I've got an air-conditioned workshop with the roof of solid stone, a set of stairs that takes me to my underground abode. My electric lights are just as bright as any working room. Nice clean floors, walls galore, but no bloody telephone. On the open fields of a Lightning Ridge, Glengarry or sheepyards, where dreams are made with a pick and spade in this land you love or hate. Any colour will do, say a green or blue, but we pray for red on black, as we gouge all day in the opal clay or dream at night in our little bush shack. I start my day when I feel that way, and I knock off when I like. No union dues or clerical blues, not a boss or salesman inside. All way out here where the air is clear and the stars are twice as bright, as cities and towns where strife abounds and each day is a threat to your life. On the opal fields of a Lightning Ridge, Glengarry or sheepyard, where dreams are made with a pick and spade in this land you love or hate. Any colour will do, say green or blue, but we pray for red on black, as we gouge all day in the opal clay or dream at night in our little bush shack. Where summer is hot as Hades, be like winter is cold as ice, no place for fools or bludgers, and mateship has top prize. As a tourist smiles at the laid-back style of my old mates and me, but they can have the crash of the city rush, it's the mining life for me. On the open fields of a Lightning Ridge, Glengarry or sheepyard, where dreams are made with a pick and spade in this land you love or hate. Any colour will do, say green or blue, but we pray for red on black, as we gouge all day in the opal clay or dream at night in our little bush shack.
Don't ask any questions, don't snoop around his claim. He'll be out with a dog and a shotgun. Who knows what he's hiding, or why he makes his stand? Men like him are buried alive with opals in their hands. Well, they say he came from Lismore, that's about all we know. He came for a weekend only 20 years ago. Well, he must have had money in the bank, or he's found a lot more than potch. For every month he sends a cab for another case of scotch. He's a dreamer, he's a drinker, a bull ant in a hole. He's a schemer, he's a thinker, he's a lonely soul. He's gouging for the opal like a wombat or a mole, way out there at Lightning Ridge. Down below the leopard wood, below the bimble box, get your thrill on Lunatic Hill. Flashes of dancing colour, green and gold and red, mix it with black and you're on your back, digging until you're dead. Well, it's not about a fancy car, it's not about the cash. They passed the hat for a swimming pool and built it in a flash. No, it's all about the opal, you get it in your eye. You see a glimpse of heaven with angels in the sky, and you're a dreamer, you're a drinker, a bull ant in a hole. You're a schemer, you're a thinker, you're a lonely soul. You're gouging for the opal like a wombat or a mole, way out there at Lightning Ridge. Sing with me. He's a dreamer, he's a drinker, a bull and in a hole. He's a schemer, he's a thinker, he's a lonely soul. He's gouging for the opal like a wombat or a mole, way out there at Lightning Ridge. Way out there at Lightning Ridge.
Was born in an opal mining town called Lightning Ridge. At 31 he was working high on the Sydney Harbour Bridge, where he put down his name for a TV show. He got on the box and he let us know there's a fire inside of you and me, just waiting to be free. Where the buffalo runs with the western wind, and the crocodile shivers in its wrinkled skin. Where the thunder